Well, the night started in Phoenix with a local version of Dancing with the Stars for charity and ended with the Arizona Senate Majority Leader and his girlfriend in what police call a heated dispute on the side of a busy freeway, a dispute that led to an arrest. Karina Sun talked to Senator Scott Bungard tonight, and she joins us now with the rest of the story. Karina?
Carrie, Scott Bungard, who is also Senate Majority Leader, managed to avoid arrest last night while his girlfriend spent the night in jail. Now, he told us earlier that his girlfriend was drinking at that event and she became violent. He never saw it coming.
I don't think anyone ever envisions this kind of a thing happening to them in their relationship.
Senator Scott Bungard was participating in last night's Dancing with the Stars charity event. Afterwards, he says girlfriend, 34-year-old Aubrey Ballard, started arguing with him because she was jealous.
From there, it spiraled out of control and started throwing stuff out of my car onto the freeway and threatening to throw herself out onto the freeway.
He says Ballard also gave him a black eye and busted lip. Then Bungard says he pulled over to the median on State Route 51 south of Cactus to pick up his belongings. He says that's when she moved over to the driver's seat, threatening to leave with his car.
So I got back to the vehicle and asked her to get out of the driver's seat, and she didn't, so I took her out. I took her out of the driver's seat.
Senator Bungard says he never hurt her, but police say both of them had injuries.
Bruising, there was marks that were consistent with them having a physical altercation.
Police say an off-duty officer had driven by and saw the couple fighting and called police.
Mr. Bungard informed the officers that he was in fact a state senator and that as such was immune from arrest in this type of situation.
The Arizona Constitution says lawmakers cannot be arrested while the legislature is in session, but the senator says he's not hiding behind immunity and did nothing wrong. Ballard, whom he'd only been dating for 7 months, spent the night in jail, charged with 1 count of assault.
She's a good woman with a good heart, and people make mistakes, and it's unfortunate.
And police have submitted Bungard's case to the county attorney's office for review. We also want to mention that legislators can be arrested during session for things like felonies, breach of peace, as well as treason. Reporting live at the Capitol, Karina Sun, 3 TV.